Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Desert Financial credit card account online. To do this, firstly, you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I am using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.desertfinancial.com and press enter. This will take you to the website. Before logging in, you have to make sure that you have an account first. If you have not created an account before, that means that you won't be able to log in. Now to log in, you may click on the sign in button, which is right between the open an account button and the search icon. However, to sign in, you will have to click on the sign in button. Then a drop down will appear. On the drop down, you can see that you are given various options of accounts to log into, like your loan payment account, your credit cards account, and then your investment account. Now, to log into your Desert Financial credit card, you'll have to click on the credit card option. Once you click on the credit card option, a new page will load up, and then here you will have to enter your login credentials. In any case, if you are here and you still don't have an account yet, you may click on the Don't Have an Account Sign Up link right below the Get Login Help link. In any case, if you want help in logging into your account, you may click on the Get Login Help link right below the login button as well. Now, to log into your account, you may first enter your username in the first text box. Then you will have to enter your password in the second. Then you may click on the box right below the username text box to make sure that Desert Financial credit card remembers your account details for future uses. Once you fill in all your credentials correctly, then you may click on Login button in blue to proceed. This will successfully log you in to your Desert Financial credit card account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.